Welcome back, everyone. Want to update all your Windows apps with just one simple command? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Windows Package Manager, also known as Winget, to upgrade all installed applications at once. This method is fast, easy, and perfect for keeping your PC updated without downloading apps manually one by one. First, open the Start menu and search CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This allows Winget to install updates properly for all applications. Now type the following command, Winget upgrade -again -all, and press Enter. Winget will automatically search for available updates, download the latest versions, and begin installing them. This works for many popular applications including browsers, media players, coding tools, utilities, and more. The first time you use Winget, Windows may ask you to accept source agreements or package agreements. Simply type Y and press Enter. After that, the update process will continue automatically. Now just wait while Winget downloads and installs updates for your applications. Depending on how many apps need updates and your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Some applications may close automatically during installation, so save your work before running the command. And that's it. You've successfully updated all your Windows applications using Winget. This simple command can save a lot of time and helps keep your PC running smoothly with the latest software updates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all commands used in this tutorial. Thanks for watching.